Once your current school year has ended and your new school year has started to sync into EDSB from the SIS, as an administrator, you may see that your class count has appeared next to your class's Zoom. But when you click on that class account and go into your class's Zoom, there are no classes listed. This is because your new class year has not yet started. To show upcoming classes, all you have to do is click on the drop-down and show completed and upcoming classes. This will then show all your upcoming classes for the upcoming school year, as well as allow you to see previous or completed classes for the previous school year. You can then sort by those if you need to do so. Hope this helps.